Hello everyone. So in this video we're gonna be modeling this axe that I think it is from the Vikings show because I found this video which has very nice um, screenshots that I took from it. Okay, so and these are the dimensions because this one is actually like a replica from the show, and these are the measurements I got from the replica. So we're gonna be following these measurements, and we're gonna make it with every strap and this leathery thing. Also, I didn't want to use ZBrush for this, so the wood and the metal and the leather are gonna be a model here in Maya, and we're gonna give the wood, metal, and leather effect in Substance Painter, which I think is gonna look nice because this is not like a pretty rough axe like others have seen, like Viking axes. This one is pretty polished, I think. Even the metal, it doesn't have that much wear. I know this one is from the replica, but even the ones that they end up making for the video, it ends up being like not that damaged on the edges and whatnot. So yeah, we're gonna give the wear and the details in Substance Painter. So let's start. We're gonna start like always by going to the front view, image plane, import image, and let's do this one that I got. Also, the references are gonna be in the description if you wanna follow along, because it's gonna be the full process for you guys. Let's go with a cylinder. Let's give the cylinder the height of 63 centimeters, 63.5. Okay, so now let's grab the reference and let's scale it. Less, something like this. Okay, nice. So now let's add the reference here in the layer menu to a new layer. Let's call it ref, and I switched it up to reference, so I'm not able to select it while I'm working. Also, let's remove this selected. Let's go to attribute editor and looking through camera only front. So also so that when we go to perspective or whatever, we don't see the plane here. Okay, so let's go back to front and let's go perspective. Let's select this. So we can scale it like this from these two axes, and just click it once, go to front, and then, oh my god, I hate this. So let's middle mouse and drag it somewhere like just here. And I'm looking here, I'm giving the thickness from here first. And I'm not gonna move it like this because I know this cylinder is the measurement that I got here. So if I move it, I'm gonna remove some centimeters. So I'm just gonna account for the perspective from the picture. Also, when I'm gonna be modeling the head of the axe, you're gonna see that it's not exactly aligned with this one, and that's because of the perspective. As you can see here, I can see the bottom of the axe when you're not supposed to see it in an orthographic view. So okay, just so you know, like, why is he not aligning it properly? I'm just accounting for the perspective. Let's add a loop here, and I'll try to. And I'm not gonna. I mean, I'm gonna explain everything I'm doing, but I'm not gonna go like super slow because I want this to be as helpful for as many people as it is. So, okay, I'll try to use these, but if sometimes I forget, I'll still say which tool I'm using. So, okay, I'm gonna do that again. Let's scale this uniformly all the axes, and then I'm gonna fix the thickness. So, scale it, then go multi-cut. Where is it? Here. Control, and then let's put one here just to give like, because if you see there's like a taper, like it's thick and then thin and then thick again. So let's do that. It goes thinner here. Yeah, something like that. And it's like that. And for example, for this axis, let's see which one. I'm sorry, let's go to, I don't know why this happens. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but every time I go back to the front view, I need to click those to see it again, but it's fine. I'm just gonna put this one here for now. I'm selecting this face and shift selecting all the other ones. I'm going to edge and I'm just gonna do something like this for now, just so I know which axis I'm looking at. Okay, so now let's select the main body and go R, and I'm gonna scale it like a lot here. Oh wait, not everything, just this, and let's make it thinner. Like I think it's pretty thin. Like for example, this hole is where this wood piece should go. Here, like as you can see a little bit of the wood here. So, and the bottom part is completely round, so that's why I just selected these points. And okay, so that's why I'm doing this. So let's make it maybe just a little bit more. Is it too much? So let's give it also a taper here. Yeah, something like this. That's gonna maybe even less here, not on the top. So something like that. Okay, so now let's block out this part. Let's select these vertices. I'm selecting vertices. Let's put them here. Let's bring these two back here. Somewhere like this. Somewhere like, yeah, something like this. Edges again, and let's go. And this is what I meant. For example, here I'm gonna put this one here, but as you can see, this one's like not even close. But even I'm gonna do this more, and as you can see, this is what I'm taking account on. The bottom, like for this one goes like this, and for this one it goes like way more, like it goes way down. Like this one just goes a little bit, and like it's not equidistance from the middle to the top, from the middle to the bottom part. So let's scale this one a little bit like this, and let's move this one down like more, just to give that differentiation. What else? Also, as you can see, let's find the image. This one. And this is just a blockout, so we're doing it pretty roughly. And once we're happy with the proportions and the shapes, we can start adding more details. That's what I haven't given here. I haven't given here the curve. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is that it's not. For example, if I were to make this final and I would extrude it, it's completely straight here, and it doesn't have the curvature that the actual axe has. So what I'm trying to explain is that also, I think I forgot an extrusion. Yeah, let's delete this. Let's go back to front. Sorry. Let's see. Okay, back here. Back here, there's like a little downward thingy. So let's extrude it in the perspective, like Z and X, like just a little bit. And if you want to make it more pronounced, you can make it more pronounced. Like this is just reference. Don't try to make it like exactly like the reference. It's more, I'm trying to teach more of the techniques for these rather than making it one-on-one. That's why I'm not sticking 100% to the reference, and I'm sticking just with the one I found. So it has this one, and then let's go here. It happened again. Let's bring it back, like here in the middle, and then again. Let's give it something like this and grab the bottom one, the bottom vertex, and pull it down. Okay, nice. So now what I meant, it's this one also goes. Let's try to do something like this because it's not that much. Let's see the reference. like it's for example, this is from here to here, like this is the straight part, somewhat straight, and then from this point it's like starts getting narrower. Also, let's take also into account one more part in the this part. I want to add this edge so we can give the separation from the actual like sharp part, like this. It looks like this one, the replica that they sell online. It's weird because it's just like a color differentiation here, but the actual like this one is like an actual axe. You can see the sharp edge here, and that's because they sanded, or I was watching the video and they make this part like sharp because that's how they're supposed to be. But like here you can see the separation with the actual, like this is in 3D, this is like an actual edge, and if we were making this one, it's just like you can just do it in the texture. But let's do like this separation because I want to make this hard edge. So let's move this one a little bit back, just here or something, and then let's make it like, maybe that's too much, like just a little bit, just so you can differentiate. And then we can give something like this. And let's, no, maybe let's not give this yet. Okay, let's raise, let's duplicate it. Oh no, it's set like this. Let's select both and combine them. Is it this one? Yeah. Combine them and let's bridge. Bridge. Oh, let's bridge this. Let's fill this hole and bridge this. Fill hole. Bridge. Okay, so now we have something like this, which looks not at all like what we want, but we're getting there. Also, I think let's move this one, and let's do bevel. And again, let me go back here. I'm sorry, and bevel, like a big one. Let's add like 5. I see something here. Let's select these two and scale them a little bit. Let's see how it looks. Give them like this. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. We can work with that. Also, this one, we don't want it like this. Let's go to vertices. Let's deselect the top ones and let's slide these ones to the front. See how it's looking. Let's see the references. This one's from the bottom. What am I doing? Okay, Y. Something like this just to see. Yeah, something like this. Like you can see the straight part, and then it starts going here, and then the sharp edge. We can, I like it like this, but we can also, for example, it looks like it's not like, you can see it's rounder here rather than like a step like I had it. But where did I see it like that? Because I was pretty sure it was like that. Um, yeah, like here I can see like a pretty straight direction change, but here it looks like not straight at all. It's like a round. Yeah, let's do the round one. Ever one or two. Okay, so we have this for the blockout, and also I was looking at the reference, and for this one, as you can see, this change in direction, or not change in direction, this protuberance, it's like round there. It's not like a boop boop. So we can also keep that. But I was thinking, I don't know if I should do it right now or after we do the hole for the handle. But we'll see, we'll see. So I think this should go. Let's see. Wait. Yeah, the hole. Yeah, this goes more like this and this one. Oh yeah. Okay, no, it's fine. So yeah, the hole goes before the the how do you call it, the taper or narrower part. So we have this. We have the rounder part instead of the sharp one. The head is blocked out. Oh wait, 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 wait. No, it's not blocked out. We're missing this round part, which is crazy. So let's select all these edges and let's add one. Okay, so let's bring this out and select all the edge, like something like this. Um, Actually, let's delete all these for now. Okay, so let's work on one half. So I added this edge in the middle by going multi-cut, and I'm clicking Control for the loop, like just not points, and I'm clicking middle mouse button for the edge in context. For example, look, if I hold Control here and I click middle mouse button, it will always go to the middle. Here, middle. So that's what I'm doing, and now I'm selecting all this loop of faces. Double click here, and I'm deleting that because it's easier to work just on one. I'm moving these ones, sliding them here, and then I'm double clicking here, edit edge flow, edit edge flow, edit edge flow, and I'm doing that by double clicking. Yeah, double clicking, doing the edge flow, and then I double click the next one and G. And I just realized something. I thought it was just an extra. I'm sorry. I I completely disregarded this edge because I thought it was like I'm just messing with it and I shouldn't. So let's go back. I'm sorry. When when did I mess up? Okay. I should have grabbed both of this. And also let's work on half from here. So let's do the same thing I told you. Oh. And let's grab these two, move them out. And now let's keep like a big fraction and something like this. And now let's delete these ones. And I wanna move these ones more like outwards, so that the curvature goes like from here to here and not just here. So let's go edit edge flow and like this. Oh, not this one. And just do this multiple times until you like the curvature. So yeah, something like this. So let's delete history and let's mirror object set 0.001. Nope. 0, 0. What? Okay, let's just duplicate it. Oh, it's not here, it's on the set. And combine them. Merge them. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so now we have that curvature. So the head is completely blocked out now. Mm. Yeah. So we have the handle, the head, and I think that's it for the blockout. This is a pretty simple object. So that's why I wanted to take this one, because I think it's really, really nice for multiple techniques that I want to show you. Like the wood creation, that it's gonna make this look like really nice. Also, I wanna show you how to make these leather strips, so it's more interesting and nice. And also, of course, the metal. Um, so I think for the blockout, this is it. Next, we're gonna go and start adding for example, we can make this final in the next chapter, in the next part. Also, this one's pretty much final. Like there's nothing we're gonna do to it, but like just make the high poly, like support edges and make it high in subdivision, and all the details gonna be in the texture, and we're gonna add these ones. So okay, so this is it for the blockout, and let's go to the next part.